The coffee warmers is one of our main products, and we are making the coffee warmers now. It has 3 sizes, and the handles are attached very well and very stable. So in this video, I will show you how we fix the handle onto the body. Come on! First, need to make a mold for the handle welding, and then use the spot welding machine to fix the handle onto the body. And then it's done. Now let's see all details of the coffee warmer. Hey boss, if you like it, please feel free to let me know. We are the manufacturer. Thank you.